Hey guys, we're outside of Salt Lake City, Utah right now, running around, hitting some trails and spending time in the dirt. And we're going to be bringing you both a on-road and off-road review of these Bilstein B8 6112 coilovers for the F150. So let's jump right into it. Bilstein's B8 coilover is basically a step up over just the 5100 leveled strut. While that strut works well, this is going to be a little bit more off-road focused and has a little bit more beef to it to really give you the performance you want when you're getting off the street into the trails. The way the B8 is designed is basically a 2.36 inch diameter shock body, which is quite a bit larger than the factory one, and when you get your hands on them you can tell that you're dealing with a better, bigger unit. And they use a basically removable collar that can be stacked up to adjust the leveling height, and that creates different tension on the spring to give your truck a different stance. Now the way we have our truck set up is all the way up at the top 2-inch level, which levels it out nicely. It looks really good and still performs nicely, but if you wanted, you could set it anywhere from stock height to 1/2 inch, 1 inch, 1/2, wherever you'd like it to really get a look and a feel that fits your truck. With those quick details out of the way, let's talk about how these coilovers actually perform on the dirt. We've done about 700 to 800 miles now coming from Phoenix all the way up to Salt Lake City because we've been detouring around into different national parks and hitting some different roads and trails along the way. We also spent some time in Moab and got a chance to basically get off into real rocky areas and some kind of rough, gritty stuff where we could really get a feel for how these perform. Now in all those terrains, whether it be rocks, mud, sand, dirt, whatever, the B8s really do shine in that terrain. Because of the larger shock body and the specialty valving that's built into these, you can tell that you get better traction off-road in the sense that there's a little bit more stability and less juddering and hopping around. Also, you get a little bit better, more comfortable feel knowing that you're dealing with a more durable part than just a factory strut. This translates to better off-road performance, but also more confidence when you're out on the trail, and that can do a lot for that capability of your truck. With that, these are obviously a leveled coilover setup, and as I mentioned, we had ours at 2 inches, which allows us to fit a little bit beefier 33-inch tire, which is these KM3s you're seeing right here. And that can do a lot for off-road performance as well. So not only are you getting a benefit of having better suspension, but you can also take advantage of running a better tire with that, which gives you an all-around better performing setup when you really do want to get out away from the city and head to your favorite camping spot or fishing hole, wherever that may be. Now, for those of us who use our trucks in a pretty multifaceted fashion and have to use them on the street as well, the B8s still perform excellently. While with any coilover or leveled strut setup, you are going to get a little bit stiffer ride than you had from factory, you aren't going to completely compromise the way your truck drives with a setup like these Bilsteins. The ride is very comfortable on the highway still, and bumps and things that you get as you're driving around town or on a little bit rougher paved roads are still going to feel very normal, and the truck will feel very planted and controlled. And it's not like you're adding a huge lift kit or anything where you're basically changing all the suspension dynamics and kind of giving it a weird stiff ride. It's just going to feel a little bit more firm than factory, but will perform exactly how you'd expect when you're driving around town. Overall, I'd say the Bilstein B8s are an excellent option for somebody that uses their truck as a weekend warrior machine or just wants a little bit better off-road performance and a more leveled stance than what you get from factory. So if you guys are interested in picking up a set of these for your F-150, you can head down that description below, check out those links, and we'll see you guys out on the trail.